Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about Simple NUC 15 Pro Cyber Canyon. So friends, Simple NUC is announced customized computing solution proudly add the ASUS NUC 15 Pro Cyber Canyon to its product lineup, setting a new benchmark for AI-optimized performance in a compact form factor. Engineered with Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor and Intel Arc graphics, and Cyber Canyon is designed to accelerate AI workload, empower edge computing, and deliver seamless business productivity. So, friend, it's featuring up to Intel Core Ultra 7 265H processor with 99 TOPS in AI acceleration, and the Cyber Canyon is purpose-built for AI model training, machine learning, and intelligent computing workload, equipped with Intel Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, and the NUC 15 Pro offer 4.8 into faster speed than Wi-Fi 6 and support ultra-low latency, multi-device streaming, and the next generation connectivity is ideal for both beginners and creativity professionals, with support for up to 4K display and via dual HDMI 2.1 and dual Thunderbolt 4 port, and the NUC 15 Pro is a perfect for content creation, trading decks, and data visualization with up to 96 GB of DDR5-6400 RAM and delivering 50% more bandwidth than DDR4. It ensures smooth multitasking and excellent performance for even the most demanding workload. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.